Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Bluetooth to a Nissan Altima. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked to avoid distractions. Next, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device, making it discoverable. Then, press the phone button on your Altima's dashboard or steering wheel to access the audio system's phone menu. This prepares your car for the pairing process. Once in the phone menu, select Connect Device or Add New from the options displayed on your Altima's screen. Your car will then search for nearby Bluetooth devices. When your phone's name appears on the car's display, select it. A pairing code will show on both your phone and the car screen. Confirm they match to complete the connection. If you encounter issues, try restarting both your phone and the Altima's infotainment system. Sometimes, simply turning them off and on resolves minor glitches. Also, consider deleting any old, unused Bluetooth connections from your car's memory to free up space. Always ensure your phone is within a few feet of the vehicle during the pairing process for a strong signal. Now that your device is connected, test it out by making a call or playing some music through your Altima's speakers. Your car should now automatically reconnect to your phone whenever you enter the vehicle with Bluetooth enabled. This makes for a seamless audio experience on every drive. Remember to check the description for the Echo Dot link and other great deals. Enjoy your hands-free driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.